dragged his chair. Good evening. Ma'am, it's 5:05. The class should be started now. C part 2, C part 2, C part.
Hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
वो तो गए again. मेरे को चॉकोस दे दो. Hello,
Ma'am, there are only 3 children.
hello everyone.
Hello. No problem. Let's wait for a minute. Otherwise, we will start. Okay.
Ma'am, it's already 5:07 and the class starts at 5:05. 6, 7. La pa pa sa turno sa turni ta Saturn Saturnita Saturn the planet and the third Saturday. Saturn planet and the third Saturday. E Booba Bookie A B A B A B A E D C B A C B A G G E D E.
Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I
Give
have
me
a
doctor's
small
journal.
test for you all today. No one will look onto their test. Okay now? How many sleeping lines are there in the given figure?
Ma'am.
Agastya.
14.
How much? 14.
Yes.
Jimmy, is it correct?
No,
No, not 14. Can I count?
it's not.
Ma'am, can I speak the answer?
Yes.
6,
Ma'am,
7.
answer is 16.
Okay. What does sleeping line means? lines which are like this. Yes. So they are
Ma'am,
asking
like
how
this.
many
Like this.
total these type of lines are there. Yes. So let's count. It's 1,
1, 2, 3,
3, 4 is here.
4,
Then
5,
5. Then
6,
6. Then 7.
7,
Then 8,
8,
9, 10,
10,
11, 12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15.
15.
And which one we missed out?
The top one. Ma'am, the above one.
Yes, the above one. This is 16. So the correct
16.
answer is
16.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I know the second one answer.
Ma'am, I did 16 only, but the answer came 14.
the answer came.
Ma'am, I did 16 only,
Hmm?
but it was written that I did 14.
No, you
So
must
for-
maybe clicked wrong by mistake. The correct answer is 16 only.
Maybe I was first scrolling and then I accidentally
Yes.
clicked on it.
Okay, next one. If day after
Ma'am, I know.
tomorrow, wait, please let me first discuss the question. It's given if day after tomorrow is Wednesday, then yesterday was day after tomorrow. Okay. Now suppose you to first calculate what is it is already given that day after tomorrow is Wednesday. Then we need to find out what was yesterday. Day after tomorrow means
Ma'am, I know.
one day. Yes, not the next day, next to next day. So Mr. Bedi is going to answer me for this. It is
Ma'am, Sunday.
yes. If today is Monday, just suppose, then after Monday, what comes? Tuesday. They are saying day after tomorrow. After Tuesday, Wednesday. So if today is Monday, then day after tomorrow is Wednesday. They are asking what was yesterday. If today is Monday, then yesterday will be Sunday.
Ma'am, this was answer was wrong because I was scrolling this. It got the answer Monday.
Oh, no problem. Now, there is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of this. Identify the relationship of the given pairs and find the missing figure.
I know.
Avnika.
Ma'am, Crown Prince is giving the
Yes, I
answer.
can see he's raising his hand. Avnika is not here to answer. Yes.
Yes.
See, it's cube. So the figure is square. It's cuboid. So the figure will be rectangle.
Rectangle.
Next, complete the given pattern. They have given you a pattern. You need to complete the given pattern. So now, what is the pattern that you need to understand? First, it is straight. Then it moves towards left. Then down. Then to the right. Again straight. Then left. Then to the right. So this answer Ivan will give me.
Give me
Ivan, what's the answer?
B. Correct.
Yes, correct answer is B because it is straight. So it will move to the left, then down, then to the right.
Ma'am, that was easy.
There are dash group of 2 ice cream cones. How many ice cream cones are there in total?
Ma'am, I know.
12. So they are asking group of 2 ice cream cones. If total are 12, then in group it will be
6.
yes. That's
Thank you because 2 6 are 12.
yes, very good. Next question. It's given if boat is called car. Okay. We have a
That
boat
was so easy.
that is called car. Car is called bike and bike is called jeep. Then which vehicle is two-wheeler? Very simple. Which vehicle will be two-wheeler? Tell me which vehicle is the two-wheeler?
Ma'am, Jeep.
Yes, because bike
Ma'am,
is
there
called
is
Jeep.
called. There
Bike
written
is
called.
my two-wheeler. So the correct answer should be
Jeep. Ma'am, because there is written if bike is called Jeep.
yes. Which of the following figure will complete the pattern? Okay. You're supposed to find out the pattern here. Yes?
That was my wrong,
Crown
but I
Prince will
know the
answer
answer.
this.
Ma'am,
Which pattern should come which completes the figure? What's the answer?
ma'am, I know.
Crown Prince will answer.
Ma'am,
Crown Prince is not here. Okay, Avnika, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I know.
ma'am,
Yes.
D. Ma'am, D.
Yes, that's
Ma'am,
correct.
is
The
correct.
correct answer is D.
D only.
D will be the correct answer because see, if you see us to the
Ma'am,
question,
the eighth question
something
is
is
too
filled,
easy.
then a circle, and then the from the filled portion, the line is there. So it matches to this one. Now, who asked me this question? Agastya asked me, I think. Yes?
Ma'am, that's easy question.
Agastya will answer for this. Which person is in the sixth position?
Raj.
Who? Now six means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So who comes in the sixth position?
Raj.
Raj. Very good. Next question is a good one.
Hello.
How many triangles and
Ma'am, I know
circles
this answer.
there
Ma'am,
are together in this? Okay, let's start counting. We need to count circles and triangles. Let's first count triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Ma'am, I
12,
know the answer.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Is it correct? Or I
Yes,
missed out
ma'am.
something?
Ma'am, we didn't miss out anything.
Yes. So the correct answer for this is 90. Next, complete the number pattern. Okay. There is a pattern given in this question. Who is going to tell me what is the pattern? Jimmy Dogfish.
ma'am, plus 30.
30. So the next number comes out to be
Ma'am, 259.
250.
Ma'am,
Very good. Let's move on to the next 10 questions. Which of the following is the smallest three-digit odd number?
Ma'am,
Hold on, hold on, hold on. You're asking smallest three-digit odd number. Mr. Bedi.
101.
101. Yes.
ma'am, my answer was that only.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Next, on a 100 rupee note, we can
Ma'am,
exchange
can I answer
how
this?
many 20 rupees notes?
I know, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is speaking?
Ma'am, Mr. Bedi.
Yes, Mr. Bedi?
Ma'am, 5.
Yes, that's correct. That's fine. The number shown in the backus is very simple. Agastya.
389.
Ma'am, because in
389.
the starting there is 100 and not
389.
anyone is.
Now, Ramya went to play in a park at 4:30. She left the
That
park
was
at
my answer, but I know
5:25.
the answer.
How long did she play?
55 minutes.
Yes.
55 minutes.
Yes, the correct answer for this is 55 minutes. Okay, please don't speak the answer, Crown Prince. You're speaking all answers. Let others also get the chance. Okay.
Ma'am,
Which
I know.
of these mangoes has the least number? Avnika.
Mm.
Which mango has the least number?
Ma'am, R.
Ah, that's correct. Okay. Find the value of 235 plus 315 plus 4110. This goes to Ivan.
Mom, I know.
Ivan, tell me the answer.
I'm telling. 960.
960. That's correct. Next, a man climbs up to a height of 953 centimeter on a mountain. He then climbs down 242 centimeter. Take rest for some time and then climbs up a height of 160. How high above the ground is the man? Crown Prince.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 871 meters.
Okay, what does this mean? He has first climbed 953. Okay,
We have to
so
do
we will
first
do
953
953
plus
minus
minus
240.
242.
Hold on, kids. Hold on.
That
953
will the
minus
answer give.
242. And then again he is climbing 160. So then we will
Then
again add
plus
160
160.
in this. After
Ma'am,
calculating,
first we
what
have to
answer do
add,
we
then we
get
have to subtract.
is the correct answer. So what's the correct answer? It's
Ma'am,
870.
give 1 centimeters.
Okay. Next question. Agastya.
Ma'am, that's so easy.
Place value of 0 in 207 is
0.
0. That's correct. Next question. Jimmy Dogfish. Select the correct option.
Ma'am, 586.
586. Next. Last question goes to Mr. Bedi. What is the cost of 5 heads?
Ma'am, the answer is, let me,
Mr. Bedi?
ma'am, rupees 110.
Yes. 1 head cost 22. So 5 head will cost 22 into 5. Let's submit and see our score.
20 out of 20.
Get full. Anyone has any doubt in any question?
Now,
No, ma'am.
No?
Can I go to the
Let's
washroom?
do now few simple questions. Logical reasoning. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I go to the washroom?
Sure, dear. You can. Okay. In this,
sorry.
we will start with first one. Okay? The patterns one. We will be working on the patterns. Okay?
Patterns. Ma'am, we have done
So,
these questions.
question number 1. Everyone
Ma'am, we
will
have
send the
done.
answer to Ragni ma'am in the chat box. Okay? No one will speak. Let me zoom the screen. Give me a minute. Yes, this is your first question. Please send the
Send the answer.
answers to Ragni ma'am in the chat box.
I have sent the answer.
She will check and let you know.
Not see my zone.
Ma'am will see. Allow her some time.
We can see a kid zone.
Okay, Crown Prince answer is correct. Ivy's answer is correct. Very good.
Your easy question wrong. They will never become crown prince like me.
Only Agu is left.
A good Dr. Eva. Oh,
No,
yeah.
doctor will not
I
come.
have sent it.
Okay, few kids are still remaining to solve.
Ma'am, I can't see it's those.
Agastya, send the answer to me. Please don't send to me, send it to ma'am.
Ragini ma'am.
Yes, please send to Ragini ma'am. Hope. Oh, Hope has also joined. Agastya, your answer is wrong.
Oh,
Correct answer is
Oh,
15.
I did a
And how
typing
can we get that?
mistake.
See,
Ma'am, I did a
the first
typing
one, there
mistake.
are 1. In second one, there are 6. And in third pattern, there are 9. So
Ma'am, I
basically,
did a
if you
typing
see, we are
mistake.
multiplying it with 3. So for pattern 5, 5 into 3 is going to come 15.
Ma'am, I
Yes?
sent D only. I did a typing mistake.
Okay, next. Question number 2. Find the missing number if certain rule is followed, either the row wise or the column wise. Okay. Maybe there is some rule which is being followed. You need to figure out what is the rule. It might be
Ma'am,
either row
row
wise
wise and column
or column
wise
wise.
means.
And you need to figure out the certain number.
Ma'am, row wise and column wise means.
It means either this way or this way. Any way can be followed. You need to figure out the rule which is to be used here.
I'll send the answer, ma'am. Ma'am is not checking.
And we'll check. Ivy, your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, check mine.
Don't worry, ma'am will check.
Okay, Joe, for joining early.
Dogfish is left. Jimmy Dogfish.
Ma'am, can we send the third one also?
No, wait. Done, Dogfish? So what's the answer?
Now I've sent.
Okay, let Ragni ma'am mark. Then we will see is it right or wrong. Very
Ma'am,
good.
I
Correct
know the
answer
answer.
was answer 21. If you see, they are doing this way. 14 plus 18 is 32. 25 plus 12 is 30. So 21 plus 20 comes out to be 41. So the correct
Ma'am,
answer.
I know the answer because we have done these questions.
Okay, that's it. Next, question number third. Which of the following figures will continue the given figure pattern? Okay, there are few figures given. You need to identify what should be the pattern of the next one.
Ma'am, sent.
That's good.
Ma'am, I've already sent. Sent as soon as you started speaking.
Same, I also sent.
Ma'am
Ma'am does not check mine. Checked.
is checking of everyone. Very good. Everyone was so quick in this. Only 2 kids are left.
I'm saying.
That's such a
Ma'am is not checking.
easy one.
Check. Okay, only Nike is left. Oh, very good. The correct answer was C. Because if you see, the pattern starts repeating. Yes. Next. Question number 4. Again, in this, you need to look onto the pattern and complete what should come here.
Sent.
Okay. Okay, everyone is getting wrong answers. Let me see who is the first one to get the correct one. Oh, very good.
Ma'am, I got it first.
Okay,
Ma'am,
the
I
correct
had
answer
sent
for this
long
one
time
was
ago.
See,
C. C. What is the main thing you need to understand? First of all,
Ma'am,
there are 2
I
lines.
did a typing mistake.
Yes. So this has 1 line, this has 1 line, these two got wrong. Now, this figure will not fix because the green will come this way. Obviously, my C is going to fix because the green should come top. So,
Ma'am,
it should go like
can
this, then it should go like this, and then I should have a square of like this. So, which figure?
Ma'am,
Matching?
accidentally
C.
did a typing mistake.
Next, find the missing number in the pattern. Question 5th. Look onto the pattern, guess what pattern is there, and find out the number in the 4th pumpkin.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Jimmy Dogfish, that's wrong. Crown Prince was the first one to answer correctly. Nike has
Ma'am,
also answered.
ma'am, in the last question, I accidentally sent the wrong answer. Ma'am, I sent the correct answer. होता है. Yeah, I doubt that. Masha Sumatri सोचते.
I did send the correct one.
Then why did Max cross?
I don't know.
Because he got it wrong. You are the only one right now to get it wrong. Oh,
Agastya is only left.
yeah, August. Yeah, only.
I have sent.
You have sent. That's wrong. What is the pattern? Pattern is they are adding 25. And how you can figure out? 267 minus 142. 192 minus 167. You will observe there is a difference of 25.
Ma'am,
2 plus 25 gives me 217.
ma'am, I accidentally did send the answer for the sixth one.
Not good.
Ma'am, I have
Next.
sent A path only 217.
Quick. Question 6.
Ma'am, I sent A path only 217.
You have sent A part only.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe ma'am did some error while checking that. Identify the pattern in this question.
Ma'am is not checking.
Ma'am will check off everyone. Don't worry. Yes, Avnika? You want to say something, Avnika?
Ma'am, the time of the class is over. I'm leaving. I got the question correct.
We will do one more question.
No, ma'am.
We started 2-3 minutes late, no, today? We were waiting.
No,
And
that's
ma'am is
cheating.
not checking only.
Okay, ma'am is checking. Ivy, only your answer is left. Yes. The correct one was D because you observe the pattern. Yes. After this is the pattern. Then in the middle, this is there. So after this, what should come?
King, queen, pawn,
Yes.
bishop, king,
Okay,
queen,
you all don't want to do
pawn.
one more question?
Mm,
No? Okay. No problem then. Let's end. Bye-bye. Have a good
Bye.